Ever thought about turning your Pinterest obsession into cash? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into how you can make money using Pinterest. Whether you're a beginner or looking to level up, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, Pinterest is more than just a place for pretty pictures. It's a visual search engine and a powerful marketing tool. Here's how you can leverage it to earn money. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Tip number 1. Affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to make money on Pinterest. You can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ShareASale and pin products with your affiliate links. When someone clicks your pin and buys the product, you earn a commission. Create boards around specific topics, like best kitchen gadgets or fashion finds under $50, and add affiliate links to the pins. It's all about creating content that inspires people to click and shop. Number 2. Selling products. Tip number 2. Sell your own products. Whether it's physical items, digital downloads, or printables, Pinterest is a goldmine for showcasing what you sell. Create eye-catching pins that link directly to your online store. Think Etsy, Shopify, or your own website. If you're a designer, you could create planners, templates, or art prints and sell them as downloads. The key is creating pins that stand out and provide value to your audience. Number 3. Offer services. Tip number 3. Offer your services. Pinterest is perfect for service-based businesses too. If you're a blogger, coach, photographer, or social media manager, showcase your expertise with pins that promote your services. Let's say you're a photographer. Share stunning images on Pinterest and include a call to action that leads people to book a session with you. Number 4. Pinterest ads. Tip number 4. Pinterest ads. If you've got a budget to invest, Pinterest's advertising platform can help you reach a wider audience and drive more traffic to your products or services. With promoted pins, you can create ads that blend seamlessly with organic content and target specific audiences based on interests, demographics, and more. Number 5. Create sponsored content. Tip number 5. Create sponsored content. Once you've built up a following, brands may approach you to create sponsored pins. This is where you can make serious money by promoting products that fit your niche. If you're a lifestyle influencer, for example, brands in the home decor or beauty industry might want to partner with you for exposure to your audience. So there you have it. 5 ways to start making money with Pinterest today. Whether you're selling products, offering services, or leveraging affiliate links, the possibilities are endless. So get pinning and start monetizing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any Pinterest tips of your own.